Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new offer loan entry to your CashControl account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the dashboard icon down below and then click on the plus icon. Click on the offer loan button and then you should type in the amount of your offer loan. Select the currency, then select the current date and your account, which is set to wallet. You can also add the return date, type in the name of it. You can add your notes and tags as well, and you can attach a file to it in the attachments file or in the attachment section. So if you are done with adding all these information, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. If you want to check it out, click on the loans button down below, which is the fourth option, and here you can find your new entry. If you slide to the right side of the screen, you are going to see the received loan and the offered loan sections. So here you can check them out. If you want to pay it back, then click on the pay back loan button and you will be able to do that. You can also get rid of it by tapping on it and then click on the bin button at the top of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.